How to use First Citizen mobile app. The First Citizen mobile app provides a comprehensive suite of digital banking tools to manage your account, deposit checks, and pay bills from your mobile. Now, if you want to enroll or use the First Citizen mobile app, you want to make sure to open up your app store, type in First Citizen. Here it is. You then need to tap open this, or you just want to make sure to select install. Wait for it to completely install the app. Now, what you need is you have to create an account, right? So basically, you could just go ahead and open that up. Now then, to begin with, you want to make sure to go ahead and look for new login or something like this. You then need to go ahead and actually back it up. So actually, you have to tap onto sign up. Select that out. Then you want to make sure to select whether it's an individual personal account or a business account. Select that out. Then you have to enter in your social security number, account number associated with your bank, request your login ID, and simply tap on submit. Once you've done that, you want to make sure to go ahead and provide all the information that will be asked. And after your first login, you could set your Face ID, Touch ID, or a secure 4-digit passcode for password access as well. And you could also view your real-time balance and transaction history for all your First Citizen Bank, including credit card and investment as well. Next, you could just go ahead and select deposit nature within the app, choose the receiving amount or an account, and enter the checking account as well. Then you could endorse the back of the check with the signature and word for mobile as well, or for mobile deposit. And you could snap a clear picture or a photo of the front and the back of a check and tap onto submit. So this is how you will be able to use the First Citizen mobile app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.